Your books emphasize making diesel maintenance accessible. How do you encourage sailors feel intimidated by their
I think everybody, when they start with an engine, is intimidated. And the people who are full of confidence today, that's because they got a motorbike when they were 12 and they didn't have confidence then, and they slowly built confidence. I think it's good to remember that nobody was born knowing any of this. Even checking the voltage of a battery, we learned that somewhere. We weren't born with that knowledge. So the fact that perhaps his engine is new to you and you're not sure what to do and you feel a natural trepidation, that's perfectly normal. And the way to overcome that is to do the simple things first and slowly become familiar with it. I remember the very first time I had to bleed a diesel engine, and it took me half a day. Now I could do it, I hope, in a lot less time than that. Just start with the simple things. The maintenance book is very straightforward. It doesn't assume knowledge of anything. And you just learn step by step. And as you go up the learning curve, you'll gain more confidence. It's quite normal at the beginning not to have too much confidence. Just learn, check, pull out the dipstick, wipe it off, put it back in, have a good look, smell it, do the coolant, just step by step, learn these simple things, and slowly your knowledge will increase. And as your knowledge increases, your confidence will increase.